Hi, my name is Mark Manassi, and I am the professor for Education 100. I thought I would take a few minutes to welcome you to our course. I'm very excited to meet you virtually in a few weeks, and I want to give you just a brief overview of our Canvas shell in case you need that. So here's our Canvas shell, and you'll find that at the top there are a couple buttons. There's an orientation start here button. I suggest you orient yourself and start there, and also a link to our assignments for week 1. As you go down on the left side here, you'll see where there's some announcements that I'll make throughout the course that will also hopefully be emailed to you. Our discussion board will be located over here, and some other information which you may or may not need to use for our course. On the landing page, you're going to see information about me, the course, when our meetings are, the dates and times here, as well as where our Zoom is. And again, links to course assignments and the orientation. And the orientation link, if you click it here, if you click it on the bottom, it's up to you. You'll find a welcome video that I am creating right now. Your first assignment, which is to change your profile pic, and some examples and a description on how to do that, some things to keep in mind about the course, and some helpful resources. So that's the orientation portion of the course. And to go back to the front page, just hit home. And then, yeah, you can get into, after you read this over, take a look at the syllabus, things like that over here. You can just click on week 1 up here or week 1 on the bottom here and start taking a look at our assignments. You'll find some information about what to do, where to go. And again, there's daily assignments that tell you by clicking on them, there'll link to a video or a reading. And then it'll ask you to go to the discussion board to talk about those things. So you just follow along, and once you're ready to go to the discussion board, you hit discussion, and you'll slowly see the week 1 discussion questions are here. You respond to those, and then there's also additional weeks which will be moved up as we move into those weeks. So that's an introduction to our Canvas shell, short and sweet, hopefully short and sweet enough. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I look forward to seeing you. You will be doing some coursework before we meet for about a week and a half, and then we'll meet with each other on the second week of class. So I'll see you then. Thank you so much.